Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to bust some tech myths. So if you know all these, you'll be like a tech god. All right, let's do it. Let's just get right into this first myth, okay? So myth number 1, closing background apps saves battery life. Let's get our first actor here. Oh, there he is. He's going ham on those apps, aggressively swiping them away. Look at that. Yep, there you go, man. I always do that. I'm like, all right, done with TikTok. See you later. I love how he's getting angry at Instagram. He's like, I'm done with you. We're done here. It's done with Facebook, Twitter. You're next. Hold up, I didn't say yet. So does closing background apps save battery life? Well, let's find out. We'll add our overlay. It's going to be false. Of course, we're going to reveal it with a big old stamp. Nice and slow. Come on. Yeah, like that. Perfect. So let's see what our guy's reaction is. So the answer is false. It can actually drain more battery. Really, I guess I learned something today. I didn't know that. Modern phones manage memory better than you think. Your phone's operating system is smart enough to put background apps into a state of suspended animation. Meaning they're not running, but they're not completely closed either. Yeah, they use very little power, which conserves battery life. So yeah, there you go. You don't got to worry about that one anymore. Closing background apps isn't going to save you any battery life. That was myth number 1. Let's move on to the next one. All right, let's bring somebody else in here. How about this lady browsing the web? Yeah, she seems nice. I like her shoes. Oh, she's sneaking around. She's up to something. Something fishy's going on here. What is she hiding? Let's find out. All right. Incognito mode makes you anonymous. Now she's being sneaky. She's opening incognito mode. Ooh, you know what happens when you use incognito mode? Let's find out. Once again, we got a false for you. Yeah, it hides history from your device, not the internet. Websites, internet service providers, and networks can still track you. Oh, I had no idea. I thought I was like being sneaky, not being as sneaky as I thought. Being incognito doesn't change your IP address or location, doesn't encrypt your internet traffic. And search engines and websites can still store your data and track your activity. So even though you're being sneaky and doing the incognito thing, you're still out there. So the only difference is it's not saving history on your device. That's good. But yeah, you're still out there. I don't think you're being so sneaky. Someone's watching you. I'm watching you. God's watching you. Everyone's watching you. We all see you. Next time you go incognito, you're still out there. All right, let's move on to the next myth. Okay, now let's bring in our next contestant. It's our third person. Looks like he's having a good day. Well, check out the bars on his phone. He's got 3 of them. Beautiful signal bars. Look at that. Look at those bars. That's beautiful. I want those bars. How does he have those bars? I don't know. I wish I had those bars. You know what he has? Great signal. That's what he has. So he's going to check it again because he's happy with it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this guy is sad now. Why? Because the website's not loading. Even though he has great signal, the website's still loading, super slow. What happened? Let's find out. More signal bars means faster internet. False bars show signal strength, not speed. Oh yeah. I thought the more bars I had, the faster it would load. Nope. You can have full bars and still lag. Oh, I learned something new. Don't judge your connection by the number of bars. Check your signal strength and download speeds regularly. You might be paying for a service that isn't up to par. You can also run a speed test to see how your internet is performing. You know, I ran a speed test recently, and my internet wasn't up to par. They fixed it after that. But yeah, sometimes you got to do that. Sometimes you just got to make sure you're getting what you're paying for. That was myth number 3. Let's move on to myth number 4. Now, let's bring in another individual. How about this guy? This guy's over here just chilling. Chilling with his phone. He's looking at his phone. Just chilling. Cool. He's cool as a cucumber. Do you know what he's doing? No, he's checking out his phone. He's trying to see if there's any magnets around. Why? Because he thinks that magnets can erase his phone or hard drive? He's trying to make sure there's no magnets around? Here's a pro tip for you guys. Magnets, they can mess with your phone or hard drive. It's true. Certain strong magnets can mess with your phone. But the good news is, it takes an industrial strength magnet to do that, not your average fridge magnet. Your fridge magnet won't mess anything up, so don't worry about that. If you accidentally leave your phone near a powerful magnet, you might experience some issues. But again, your fridge magnet is harmless, so don't worry about that. If you're wondering why, it's due to the magnetic fields interfering with the data stored on your device's magnetic storage. Yeah, there you go. You learned something new. Myth number 4, busted. Let's move on to the last one. All right, now let's bring somebody in here. How about this lady? She's on a MacBook Pro. She's living the best life. Yes. She's got those Apple AirPods in. She's chilling, relaxing. Can you see the confidence in her eyes? She knows she's safe. She knows she's protected. And she's like, yeah, I'm on this MacBook Pro. I'm safe. Legit. Macs don't get viruses. Whoa. Macs don't get viruses. What is she doing? Because she's not scared. She's like, oh, here we go. Here comes the virus. You know what? You can't get me. I'm on a Mac. That's not the case. Macs are just less targeted. Oh, okay. It's not zero. You can still get viruses on a Mac. You just don't get as many. Antiviruses for Mac aren't as robust. They don't offer the same level of protection as Windows. But listen. It's still important to protect your devices. Regardless of the operating system you use, Macs still need protection. They still get viruses. Not as much, but they still get M. So don't be like this lady here. Be like this. Get that shield up. Make sure you're protected. Don't be cocky. Don't be like, I'm on a Mac. I'm safe. No, you're not safe. Could be next. All right, guys, so there you have it. Those were 5 tech myths busted. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and comment below. What do you think? Did I miss any? What other ones do you know? Leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear it. We'll be reading them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, I'll catch you guys on the flip-flop piece. Ooh, I'm not done yet. Wait. We have an outro. Yes. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And check out our other videos like this one. Tech facts you won't believe. It's awesome. So much fun. You're going to love it. I promise.